Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Remember, in the first video I showed you how to make a good beat from start to finish. So if you are a beginner, make sure you watch that video and don't miss out on that video. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, like the video, and make sure you put in the comment section any question you want me to make a video on. If you have a question you want me to make a video on, whether be mixing, whether anything you want me to show you or teach you in anything that has to do with music production, make sure you put the question in the comment section below. I will get the question, I will make a video for it, and will post it back in this channel. But the only thing you need to do is to make sure you subscribe, so that whenever I post a video like that, then you get a notification. So do it to hit the like and subscribe to this channel so that you continue to receive new videos. Also, I have a link in the comment section, our Telegram class, where we post regular videos on tips and tricks on how to be better in music production. So do wait to check out that video in the comment section and join that class. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to arrange this beat that we made last time in FL Studio, how to arrange beats from start to finish, step by step in FL Studio. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss out. So right now, this is our beat. So now that you've made your beat, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your playlist section. Now, this is our playlist section. So we have our channel rack, we have all our instruments located here on our channel rack. Then we are going to arrange these beats on the playlist section. So the first thing, like what I used to do, I'm going to create a backup first on this section. So I'm going to press my control on my keyboard, and I will double click on one of these channels, and I will highlight all of them. Then I'm going to click Ctrl C on my keyboard to copy. Then after creating Ctrl C, I'm going to come here to my pattern, and I will duplicate the pattern. So now I have another pattern page. Then I will click Ctrl V to paste all the instruments. So my first page is for backup. So I usually do this every time to ensure that in case anything happens, I usually have a backup on my instrument if I want to make any corrections, right, guys? So on my playlist section here, I now have a backup called 2. So this is the one I just duplicated and pasted. So I'm going to right click this particular backup. I'm going to click split by channel. Remember, split by channel. You're going to click split by channel to move all the instruments separately to your playlist. So now I click mix, click by channel. So right here, what you are seeing right here is all the instruments are right here. We have the kick, we have the snare, we have the percussion, we have la la la, we have the chord and all that. So I'm going to be touching them and I'll be pasting them here. I will touch and paste. I'll touch and paste. I'll touch and paste. That's another method you can do that. You touch, you paste, you touch, you paste, you touch, you paste, you touch, you paste. So this is how you bring all the instruments. This is the first method you can use. But it's the fastest method that I do use is I'm going to remove everything. So what I do is I'm going to press down my control on my keyboard. Then I'm going to touch, touch, touch. I'm going to click to highlight all of them. I'm going to highlight all of them, or you're just going to highlight like this. You remove that first one because that's the backup. So then after highlighting them, you're just going to drag. You left click to drag. When you drag, you put it down right here. You see how you drop it? So I'm going to right click this, and I'm going to click on my keyboard, Ctrl B to duplicate. Now I duplicate. We'll now have a complete full bar of the music. Then the next thing you're going to do is what? Is to switch into song. Click the song button. So everything is right here. So what you're going to do next is to highlight again. So make sure you do this. Follow me step by step. Follow me step by step, guys. Don't miss this. Don't skip any part of this video so you can grab everything in it, okay, guys? So I'm going to click Ctrl B. Remember, Ctrl B. So I'm going to click Ctrl B on my keyboard to duplicate. I'm going to press this as much as I can to duplicate. So I've duplicated it. So my duplicate is up to 1 minute plus and all that. So maybe this particular beat is supposed to, I'm going to stretch it out to up to, let's say, 2 minutes. I'm going to highlight again, Ctrl B. So I've gotten the full length of my beat. So the total length, if you look at it here, put the cursor here, the end of the beat, if you put the cursor, we'll have 2 minutes, 32 seconds. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, but I click drag back to the beginning. Then I'm going to here select my intro. So my intro is going to maybe start with this instrument like this. I'm going to title this intro. So for you to title this, all you simply do, come to the bar here, playlist option, come to playlist option, go to marker, add marker. So when you go to add marker, you're going to add intro. So I have my intro here. So then I'm going to, this is my intro. So let's say this is my first chorus. I'm going to title it chorus. So I'll just put a shortcut there, chorus. So I think one other little thing you can do here is to bring in maybe a drop section to help, an introductory section to help you differentiate between the chorus and the bar. So what I'm going to do now is to go to my browser section to bring in a filler. So a filler simply means an introduction. But okay, but I can do something basic for you, maybe practically, in case you don't have a filler in your own inside your FL Studio. So I can just show you how to do something basic. So what I need to do here is I'll just duplicate maybe my snare. I'll just duplicate my snare. I'll bring it down. So I'm going to add rolling. I'll just put rolling. I'm going to put it here. So that is just a sign to just enter the beat. So what I'm going to do here is to pitch it down. I'm going to pitch it down, drag it upward to differentiate the sound. So that's beautiful. You can as well bring in a clash sound. I'm just going to bring in a clash sound, like these are effects you can as well use if you have all this in your. So crash sound.
Unique.
Add. Where is it?
Unique.
Come now.
Unique sound. Unique.
So anyway, we can just use this. I'll just bring in my clap sound like this. I'm just going to put an effect on that channel. So guys, this is my chorus right now. So I will just do the intro. So watch it step by step. Please don't skip this video. Don't skip this video so you don't miss out any vital part of this video, guys. Don't skip this video. So we just got our chorus. So now we're going to get into our solo. I'm going to title it solo 1. We're going to bring it our clap to indicate. So on our solo section, you're going to remove some few instruments. So the whole sound together is the chorus, right? The whole sound together is the chorus. So by the solo, we're going to remove some instrument to make it feel calm, so that everything does not look straight. So this is how you arrange. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button, and make sure that anytime we upload any new video like this, you don't miss out to, guys. So guys, on your solo, you're going to have what, 16 bars. 16 bars. If you check this little difference here. So 4 count makes a bar. So we're going to, every verses in every song has 16 bar. That is the music industry standard length of verse that you're going to have. So if we're going to count these spaces here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's your 16 bar there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's our 16 bar right there. So we're going to remove this. So guys, this is our first solo, which is verse. Solo means verse. Okay, so you're going to break it down. When you break it down, and it's going to play like this, cool and calm, to differentiate it from the chorus. So the second stanza of the verse. So I'm going to bring a transition here. So guys, this is our first verse. Then we're going to bring in everything back, which indicates our second chorus, which is chorus 2. So you could also just spice. Maybe I'm removing this. I'll just put this one. Or I could just put this. So depending that the one you think it fits best for you. So guys, we now have our second chorus. So guys, when I have our second chorus, what do we have here? Our second chorus. So we're going to remove all this. So we have our intro. I'm going to space it out for you to see. So right now we have our intro. We have our first chorus, chorus 1. I'm going to rename this chorus 1. Then we'll have solo 1. Then after solo, which is verse 1, then we'll now have chorus 2, which is second chorus. Then after chorus 2, we're also going to have solo 2. So we have, so for us to have solo 2, I'm just going to duplicate this and I put it back here. So I'm going to title this when I have what, solo 2. So on this solo 2, we're just going to give it a little bit tweak to be different from solo 1, to give it that little space of vibe. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we can decide to just remove some kick. Let's see some of the drum section. Then give it some section. Then bring in another instrument here. Wow, guys, Man, this is real shit. So guys, this is the second solo. So we're going to bring in our last chorus. So all you just simply press your control to highlight, then press your shift button, then left click and hold and drag, then you duplicate. So guys, this is our last chorus here. We're just going to duplicate one more and we'll just name it last chorus. So I'm going to play back this solo 2 again. I'm going to play back this solo 2 again so that you watch the transition, right? So guys, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you put your question in the comment section of a video you want me to do. Feel free to ask any question in the video section. If you like this video, make sure you comment, like and subscribe, and most especially like this video so that other persons who are interested to know how to arrange beats can also see this video, and they are also going to learn from it too, guys. So make sure you check our description below and join our Telegram class where we post regular videos on how to make beats, and where we post tips and tricks on how to become professional in music production. So guys, this is how you arrange your beats in FL Studio. So you can see the structure. You take it from the intro, you bring in your chorus, you bring in your solo, bring it back to your chorus, your solo 2, and your last chorus. You can as well have a different structure. Maybe you have your intro, you have your verse, you have chorus, you have your verse first, chorus, and so it depends the structure and the style you use. But this is the orderly manner at which, if you follow this particular strategy, you're going to get a well-produced and a well-arranged beat. If you're new to this particular video, so we have made a video before on how to make a good beat from beginning, step by step, from beginning to the end. Check the link in the description below for you to find that video. And don't forget to subscribe so that you continue to receive notification of new videos like this. In this particular channel, we also make several videos on beginner tutorials, how to make Afrobeat, how to make dancehall beats, how to mix beat. But in the next video of this particular video, after this one, I'm going to show you how to mix this particular beat, guys. This particular beat. So make sure you watch the next video. In the next video, you're going to see how to mix this beat. And after mixing the beat, I'm also going to show you how to export it into MP3 or convert it to WAV before you can send it out or you sell it, guys. So see you in the next video, guys.